Welcome to the Chrissy Talk channel.
Hi y'all, I hope you had a great Christmas, and here's hoping that you have a great new year. Anyway, I haven't recorded in a long time, in a while, so I am hoping this new year to be a jump start on keeping track of my videos and making videos and just, I guess, being more present. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that I will be making a bigger effort to put videos on there. I'm also going to be doing a lot of like crafts and stuff like that, and so I'll be creating a different channel for that. And I'm very excited to be doing this new craft that I have been interested in, but never really took the time to actually learn to do it or even try to do it. So I will be doing it. Well, you just have to wait and see. So anyway, Merry Christmas. Even though it's past, I hope you had a great time and have an awesome year. Bye. See you later.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Thank you.